Hilltop Mall. Oh, Schindler mod. These got modernized again. These were originally Schindler with MT.
MT?
Yeah. Right?
No, HD.
And then they got a... Wait. I don't remember what these had last time.
HD. Oh, pit light.
Pit light. Is the door closed? Motor. Oh, what the heck? It's literally their stock room. Okay.
Brand new mod.
Oh, look. Service cabinet's open.
8. Yeah, 3 months, 4 months.
You wanna switch?
I don't need to switch unless you need to.
Wait. Oh. The other one probably doesn't even work. Oh, I hear it. This is the only store at this mall left. Everything else is gone, including the mall.
No, yes.
One?
No tuve tiempo de contestarte. Sí, estoy bien. ¿Ya viene mi papel? Ok. Yo ahorita salgo, es que me quedo abajo, pues no quiero comprar el problema. ¿Ah? El primer piso está bien. No, es que todavía ni he punchado todavía. No, es que se me pegó encima de la lápiz y perdimos los fingers y me atraviesan.